was that?
Get off!
Okay, ready?
Go,
Ready?
let's go.
Go! Oh my God! I bit my tummy. Oh, that hurt. Oh, my hip bone. Okay, everybody's ready. That hurt.
You're so stupid.
Dude, I'm gonna go. Oh, I'll work now. That was the best.
Cheater.
Whoa! Oh my God! No, wait. No! Does anyone have really good balance? I can do it. Walk on I can do it. Yeah. No! Wait. Okay. You can't walk on. No, we need to start from where Nathan.
She used to be in gymnastics.
Hang on. You can walk on this? I could. Yeah, I can, but you have to move.
Dude, you can fucking walk on it.
I can. Fucking push me. Ah. Wait, no, I can't. If I do, don't push me. Dude, I can't.
Do it. Just walk. And then jump. Jump.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall. Don't touch it. These shoes are not the best to climb with. Ah! You can't walk in my fucking shoes. I got taller than all of you, and I have like big. You have good shoes on. Not really. Better than mine. Mine.